And people sometimes get hung up in this pray without ceasing. Well, does that mean that like every single moment, every single second of every day I should be praying? I can't talk to anybody else, I need to be praying in the shower. I need to be praying while I sleep. How do I pray while I'm asleep? No, just chill. Just relax. It means just pray at all times, Pray as you go through your day. Pray as you're reading your Bible. Pray as you ride your bicycle. Pray as you're driving your car. Pray when you're at work, right before you send that email that is going to get you in a ton of trouble, but you got to pray. You got to send it anyway. Pray. Just pray all the time. A better way to put it, actually, I would say, is make prayer habitual. Habitual. Make a habit of praying. But it's so easy, I think, to forget to pray, and especially so, at least for me, when life is going well. When life's hard or when you're under a lot of stress, like you pray a lot. Like I've been praying a lot. As I've undertaken doing Redeeming Productivity full time, oh my goodness, I pray more than ever. But it's because I recognize my dependence on God more when I'm under a trial or under stress, right? We all do. It's not that you're more dependent on God. You're always dependent on God. But sometimes when we're in a season of flourishing or blessing, we tend to forget that the reason for that is the goodness of God. And so we're less reliant on Him in prayer. That clip was from my podcast, The Redeeming Productivity Show. Click here to watch the full unedited episode, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on a Christian approach to personal productivity.